got a lot of different things going on. We are having a new fridge delivered, so I'm really excited about that. So meanwhile, I've got to clean out the area where the fridge was, so I gotta do that. The kids are cleaning out the little duck container. Yes, we have ducks, oh my. Anyway, just lots of things always going on, so I thought I'd take you along for today. There's what I need to clean. Oh my, isn't that a mess? Ugh. Look what we have here. Look at them shake their little tails. Aren't they so cute? Today it's not quite as warm. It's been quite warm out, and anyway, the kids put them in the little kiddie pool so that they can clean out their pen. Well, their little tote. Oh, they're so cute. You got one! Woo! Oh no! Look how excited they are! Uh-oh! Ducks on the loose!
Come on! Come on, we got this.
Let him play, let him play.
I want to shoot something.
Okay, put him in there. Put him in.
Bubble wobble!
Look how happy they are.
Flow, 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 flow.
Let him in, let him in.
Why does he not?
You've got to be gentle with them.
Give him.
Oh my. It's all clean and the fridge is coming. It's coming early. Yay! Well, I'd show you guys the new fridge, but it's quite the hot spot at the moment. Taking all the plastic and styrofoam off. So, anyway, so we can get it all put together. It's fun, huh? Oh, okay, we will here in a minute. What happened to you? Oh, you poor thing. Are you okay, sir?
Actually.
Oh. You're okay. No. There it is. There's the new fridge. Woohoo! Give us a tour of the new fridge. All right. Oh, look at that. Nice space. Look at that. Oh, we've got little crisper drawers.
Over here is freezing.
The temperature.
And here's where.
And the humidity control. Yeah, you're right. Wow, very nice.
And then there's all kinds of trays in the ice thing.
And did you know that this one here slides? Let's see. Oh, it's taped.
Can I have some water?
It's taped.
Can I have?
In a minute. Get the tape off here, and then I can show you guys.
Oh, you.
See, look. Look, Becca. Look. Look. It goes down and under there. And then if you have like a big melon or something there,
Daddy, can
pretty cool. All right, and then this is the drawer below. So this is really nice because we can put all our sandwich fixings and different things like that in there.
the water is ice.
And then this here is the freezer. And then this drawer here pulls forward. So pretty exciting to have a new fridge. Yay! I like my new fridge so much, and I feel like I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna start putting stuff in it from the old fridge, and then it's gonna look yucky. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Lynn calls the heart AJ Foster.
Alright, it's time to get off and get outside, okay?
I know.
Okay. I think I'm gonna head outside here and see what Mike's up to. First though, I should show you the tomato plants. They look amazing. So Mike just transplanted all of these. And then these ones over here, he also fertilized. So we ended up having to replant a bunch of the ones that we had planted earlier in the year. They just did not do very good. But we do have our garden in down here. We have a lot of garden in. So anyway, yeah, Mike's been working on getting 3 dressers done, one for each bedroom. And I have all the door fronts stained and everything hanging out in the garage. And right now he's working on the outer shell of everything. So anyway, let's see what they're doing. How's it going?
I don't know.
It looks good. See how many drawers it has? So one side and then half of the middle drawers will be for one kid, and then the other side and then half the middle drawers will be for the other kid. So I am so excited to have a nice dresser. There it is. And the fronts, like I said, are in the garage. They've already been stained, but they have to be clear coated like 3 times. So looking good. The big chestnut tree is blooming, and whenever it does, it smells like bleach. It's not the, I don't know, it just kind of makes your nose run. Look at this, my hydrangea's blooming. I know it's surrounded by weeds, but look, I think it's the first time it's ever bloomed since I bought it when it was blooming. Thought I'd check out the garden. Ooh, the dahlias are getting ready to bloom. Bunches of blooms. The hollyhocks are taller than me now. And I need to plant this. I need to do a bunch of work in my garden, guys. And I have all kinds of radishes I need to pick. There's some kale and some spinach. And the raspberry plant grew back. Now the broccoli is flowering. Uh-oh. Something ate it. Oh my. I don't know. It's like, it's flowering. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I should have picked it already or something. I don't know. The peas are blooming. And like I said, I just have got to get out here. It's been raining more than not, and so it's just difficult to find time to get out here. Oh, would you just look at the mint? It's flourishing wildly. And then there's my weed patch. Isn't that terrible? I wonder how the garlic's doing. I think that it's supposed to be picked. Should we pick one and see? I feel bad picking it. Like if I pick it. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wait, it could have grown longer. Can I put it back in? There it is. Oh my. It should have grown longer. Anyway, there it is. So I'm walking down here and I'm noticing. Yes, these guys are just absolutely adorable. But would you look at this? Look at this. The goats are locked in with the dogs. And I'm wondering why. Look at you guys! Are you growing up so big? Yes, you are! You growing up so big! Yeah! What little sweet babies! Growing so big! Yes, you are! You're growing so big! Fun little game of go fish while Mama fixes supper, right? And a waffle. Are those freezer waffles good that Mama made? Yeah, all right. All right, so I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning out the fridge sort of a thing. We got some leftover macaroni salad, and I have some hard-boiled eggs that I'm going to turn into egg salad. I've got corn on the cob, and then Caleb really wanted some mashed potatoes, so, and I think Hannah did too. So that's what I'm making tonight for supper. So Mike and Nathan are mowing, and then they'll do the and then they'll do the weed eating. So before they do weed eating, I need to put these grapes back kind of up on the arbor, because they're sort of trailing the ground along with other things that need to be weeded. So anyway, I'm going to try to put them up on the gates and get them where they need to go. Actually just weeding by hand along these grapes because I'm nervous that they're gonna end up weed eating some of this stuff down there. You've got to see what I found, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my goodness! Raspberry! And I am going to eat the very first one, and the kids aren't going to know anything about it. You won't tell, will you? Yeah. It's so good. It looks like there was another one, but it got like dried up. There's another one coming. This is good stuff. Look at that. Look at that nest back there. It's so big. How many eggs do you count? Do you think that they'll lay where I can get them? Oh no, no. We must lay way back there. They have all this lovely sawdust in which to lay eggs. And it's all the way in the back corner. Oh my goodness. Well, I've been working out here in my little flower garden and I need to prune back the roses and stuff. I'm so upset though because I was weeding out over here in this barrel over here anyway. I pulled up lavender. So annoying. So annoying. Alright, well that looks much better. Did a ton of weeding there. Alright, they finally went and got all the eggs. I wonder how many they have. How many were there? Well, it's okay because I don't know how old they are, so we're just gonna get rid of them. They're putting them in the fire pit. What are you doing? Ew! It didn't crack. It must have been hard boiled. Ew, don't make a mess, okay? That's yucky. Toss them into the field. And then we gotta do better keeping up with these eggs. So while it was just gently sprinkling, I went around and I weeded the garden here as well and got the rest of my stuff planted. So I got the cucamelon and then a bush cherry. We'll see if they'll grow. Last year they didn't grow for me, so I thought I'd try them again this year. The radishes all need to be picked and eaten. And I replanted a bunch of herbs, see if it'll come up. And then over here I planted okra and then I planted dill, the big mammoth dill along the back line there. So anyway, that's all done. And I'm trying to think of where to plant sunflowers because I really want to plant a bunch of sunflowers. I don't have any seeds for them at the moment, but I'd like to plant some. So, oh dear. And it's chore time once again. Heading down to feed the animals. Caleb must be doing an Easter egg hunt again. What are you doing?
Egg toss. We're doing an egg toss.
Oh my.
I didn't know we had 4 eggs.
Toss them far. Because I don't want them to know, you know, when we have chickens in there, I don't want them to eat their eggs.
Oh, they really like the eggs.
Yeah, they seem to.
1 second.
They're having an egg feast.
Sorry.
Egg toss.
Oh, it's...
You better go help, okay? Whoop.
Keep your hands on.
Good catch.
It didn't crack. Not yet. Not yet.
Whoop.
Ready?
Oh my.
I'll catch it. No, not yet. No, catch it with your bill.
Don't let them just eat them, okay?